Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. You have read the title. Yes, it will be a Kipling unboxing video. Yes, I have finally received the item that I have ordered. If you have missed my video concerning my Kipling winter sale, I will link it, and inside this video I told you at the very end that I'm so in love. Kipling is making really a big return in my life. And I have ordered more items, but there will be a little delay because Kipling in Europe, they have changed their warehouse. So that's why we've got a little bit of delay, but we also have some little price reduction. So I found really nice deal. So let's start. But before, I want just to show you my bag of the day, which is my Longchamp Le Pliage size M long handles in the amazing burgundy color. I love pliage bag, you know, and I really love burgundy. I am enjoying it because, let's be honest, very soon we are in March, so very soon I will change and I will take my vibrant color I got in my Le Pliage collection. But for today I use this one and it's such a lovely color. So it's not a what's in my bag, but I just want to show you what I bring with me on a daily basis when I took this massive, because it's a massive bag. Look at the capacity I have. It's so, it's so packed. You see, I've got, you see, I've got so many things. I've got my wallet, I've got my Kipling small goods, I've got my travel notebook that I use as a notebook. I got my Longchamp Roseau Essential pouch, which is a massive one, but in this type of bag, it's perfect because I need to have all my pens and so on. I've got my wallet, document for my car. Well, and you see there's a bunch of space. I can put a bottle of water. Yes, Longchamp Le Pliage size M is great for a daily basis. But I just wanted to show you the color, the burgundy color, which is such a gem. And I wanted to share it with you. Bisous burgundy. But now let's go back to the main theme of this video, my Kipling unboxing. So it's not a secret, Kipling is making a big comeback in my life, as you can see, and I forgot to take, because it's upstairs, I forgot to take my vintage one, and I have also my backpack, but I used it a few days ago, so that's why it's upstairs. And yes, I love Kipling. Honestly, I love Kipling, and I need, because for a long time I was not into Kipling anymore. So what I have done, I have seen a bunch of reviews concerning Kipling bags. And I learned so much, and I have seen so many models, so many types of bags that do no more exist sometimes on the Kipling website, but I fell in love with some type of bag, and so I made researches, and happily for me, I have found two of them. Not all the one in my list, but I've found two of them, and today I'm going to share it with you. One of them comes from Amazon, because unfortunately on the Kipling European website it was not available. I have seen you still got it in North America, but here in Europe this bag was not available. But I am so happy, and I found it in a great color. So without further ado, I'm going to show it to you. I have found a Kipling Keefe or Keefe, I don't know, but I will tell Keefe, in the amazing Berry Blitz color. I really wanted to have it in a pop of color. My dream was to find it in yellow. I know this bag exists in yellow, but unfortunately it was not available on the European Amazon website. But thankfully, the Berry Blitz color was available. It's a lovely, I don't know if you see clearly, but it's a red, but not an orangey red, but lighter, a lighter red. It's not a dark red, a little bit coral red, and I am in love. You cannot imagine how much reviews I have seen about this bag. And I fell in love. I fell in love because, first of all, I love the style. As you can see, it's not square because this is round, but you've got one zipped pocket here on the front. Oh, this is the tag. Yes, I forgot to show you. So I don't know if you can see. So Keefe Berry Blitz. And I've got the price in American dollar, 94, but I don't pay this price, I will tell you. So I've got this front pocket, or I will take it back. And this bag is so funny, and that's why I love it. You've got two side pockets. And so let's open. So this one, you've got a zip pocket inside, very big, I do think. And I love, it's quite roomy. And you've got the second one here, and here you've got, you know, pen pocket and also a flap pocket, and it's the same space, so quite generous. And the things that I found crazy, look, in the middle, you've got a magnetic button, and it works well, honestly, but you have this space, and you can see it when you put the bag on the side. You see, in fact, you can see three parts, 1, 2, 3, and the middle section is the larger one. And of course you've got the traditional Kipling strap, and it's not removable, it is linked to the bag, but it is adjustable. So this bag, you can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody without any effort. And you've got a tiny monkey, which is adorable. But I fell in love, and all the reviews I have seen on this bag, everyone were super happy with it and love it. And honestly, I fell in love with the design. And I wanted the colors because at the very beginning, my collection was with darker color. But since I've got my Felix in this amazing lilac pink, I wanted to add very lovely colors in my collection, and I was happy to find this cutie in the Berry Blitz color. I will do what can fit inside, but I can honestly tell you that all my essentials fit inside, and I am really happy and really excited to use this lovely bag during the spring. I love it. And how much I pay for it, I found it at less than 60 euros, so I do think I have paid something. I will write the correct price, but I do think I paid something around 59 euro, something, but quite a nice price, because on Amazon, it's the seller who placed the price. So some of the color were at crazy price, more than 150 euro and so on. So that's crazy. I do not want to pay such amount. So I was really happy that this one was at a correct price. So this one comes from Amazon. It was brand new. And I advise you, if you want to pay on Amazon, wait, because the price on Amazon fluctuates. And this one day also appeared at 56, but the things were more crazy was for the pink one, because there's also a pink available. One day it was at more than 100 euro, and at the moment it is around 60 euro, 68, 60 something. So wait to see the fluctuation of the price. So I got the Keefe, and I am super excited to use it, and I will do a review about it. And so I told you that the other one are coming from the Kipling website. I tell you directly, I am super sad because I have placed an order concerning the Rika, which is a model. It's a crossbody and shoulder, because you can adjust the strap, but it's a kind of a moon bag with a lot of pocket. And I wanted to have it in the color that I love, the relaxed gray color. Unfortunately, when I have ordered it, we've got the information low inventory, and finally they sent me a message and it was removed from my order because there were no more stock. So I am a bit sad because I really wanted a bag in this amazing color, but no chance. I will not have the Rika. So just for the information. But I've got the other bag that I have bought, and the bag is this one. It's brand new. Because this one I have take all the package, the wrapping, but this one I just received it yesterday. It's the Sebastian. It's a square bag for this time. Or let me show you. Like this. So it's the Sebastian in the amazing print dancing bouquet. I really like it. So the base is black, but if you see clearly the print, you've got pink and orange, and it's lovely. And I wanted another small bag, but this time just to be really practical and so on, just with a top zip. And I saw this one, and also I saw a bunch of reviews concerning the Sebastian, and all the people were very enthusiastic, and they told that this bag was small, but they can fit a lot. Yes, I was tempted to try it. So you've got here the logo. Of course, it came with a plushie. I'm just sad it's the same plushie as my Chilly Up, so it's a bit sad, but that's okay. I love it though. So you've got one main front flat pocket here. Here you have a zipped pocket, and look at the interior. It's bright orange. I love this color, so great. So you see it's really big. You've got the main zipped pocket here, and there is space. Honestly, you've got one zipped pocket on one side, very big also, and on the other side, as you have seen, I've got another flap pocket, very roomy. And behind, you have this gigantic flap pocket. Of course, let me take it back. So, and you've got this, and of course it's adjustable. Of course it's a black bag, but thanks to the print, I also think I will use it during spring, summer, thanks to the pink and orange. And it would be a nice travel bag to have with this one, because all black, it's great, it's elegant, but for the day during summer, I do think it would be nice to have a bigger, because in the Chilly Up, which is great, you cannot fit a bottle of water, and this one, I do think they are nice if you need to transport a lot with you, but if I just want to carry a little bit, that's the reason why I really wanted the Keefe and the Sebastian. They are small bags, but they are big enough to fit a little bottle of water and all my essentials. I am really, really happy to have found it, because the Sebastian is available on Amazon, but the color were either navy or gray, but I have already a gray bag in my collection. And this one was the very last print that they have available, and I paid it half price. I paid for this one, if I remember correctly, 37, something euro. So really a lower price. And I am super satisfied to add it to my collection. And of course, I will keep you informed and make review about it. And since there were a bunch of promotion and you can have some reduction and so on, when I have tried to order the Rika in the relaxed grey color, I also have the possibility to add an item, a pouch that I wanted to try, and I do it. And since the Rika was cancelled, they still send me the pouch, and I still have the promotion. That was really nice. And the item I have ordered, it's the It's the Creativity S size, because you know I've got the L in the underlight color, print color, which is a gem, but that's the bigger one. I have my mini creativity, which is the smallest one. Of course, I needed to test the small size, and oh, sorry for the light. And the color, it's Lilac Moon Metallic. And if you see, yes, if you see, sorry. The nylon is not the same. The feeling, the touch, and this material is a bit different, very soft, but it enables the metallic shimmery on the pouch. And you know how much I love lilac. I have to have it. And look at the plushy monkey, how adorable it is. Yeah! And the inside is grey, you see? So this one also came with 3 sections. Yes, I wanted to test the S size. And this one, so I've got a little promotion on it. It retails at, if I remember well, 29,90 euro, and I paid 23,90 euro. So it's a little reduction, but you know, it's always good to have a little reduction. But I'm really happy to have it in this color, metallic color. It's a gorgeous lilac. And I will tell you how I use it. So my friends, tell me in the section below if you've got the Keefe or the Sebastian or another bag from Kipling, which is similar in your collection. If you have the Creativity S size or not, let's open the discussion about our Kipling collection. But I do repeat, the more I use my bag, the more I am in love with Kipling. And I can tell you that I am really excited to see the next collection for spring-summer. I have already spotted a lovely new print. Yes, who knows? Let's see. Because I don't want to... I know I will not collect as Longchamp, but I know there are some type of Kipling bag which are really practical. And I repeat, the nylon is amazing. So I know I will... make my Kipling collection grow for sure. Thanks for watching this video. Again, thanks and love to all my subbies who always participate. You are my treasure, honestly. Thanks to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, but you love my content. Please subscribe. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we see you soon. Bye bye.